Hello children, so today we are going to do triangles class 9 exercise 7.2 sum number 1. Here diagram is not given. They are telling in an isosceles triangle ABC with AB is equal to AC. That means there is an isosceles triangle and AB is equal to AC. So let us draw this diagram. With AB, this side is equal to this side. The bisectors of angle B and C. What do you mean by bisector, children? Some line cutting a particular angle into two equal half. That means now some line is coming from angle B and C and they intersect each other at O. So let me cut a line. This is your bisector. This is cutting angle B into two equal parts. And angle C, that is a bisector, it is cutting angle C into two equal parts and they come and intersect each other at O. So let me extend this line. So they come and intersect each other at O. Join A to O. So you have to join A to O. Show that OB is equal to AC, OC. You have to show these two sides are equal. OB is equal to OC and AO bisects angle A. AO is bisecting angle A. That means this line AO is cutting angle A into two equal parts. Suppose this is 60. So this AO is cutting this into 30 degree each. That is what you have to prove. So now children, understand a basic concept in isosceles triangle. If two sides are equal, okay. Now they are telling ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB is equal to AC, which is given. So when two sides are equal, their opposite angle also will be equal. So what is angle opposite to AB? It is C. And what is angle opposite to AC? It is B. That means ABC is equal to angle ACB. This is always the rule in isosceles triangle. If two sides are equal, then their opposite angles are also equal. Suppose if it is given that these two angles are equal, that means this is still an isosceles triangle where two angles are equal. So what happens is the sides opposite to this becomes equal, vice versa. So keeping this in mind, we are going to solve the sum. So our first sum is, let us take triangle AOB. This is our triangle AOB and here we will take AOC. Two triangles we are going to take. So in triangle AOB and triangle AOC. Okay. What we have to find out? This AB is equal to AC. It is given. We need 3 points. AB is equal to AC. Now we have to find two more points. Let us see how we can get a second point. Now if what is ABC is equal to ACB, I have already proved. Now what is half of ABC? Half of ABC will also be equal to half of ACB, because if these two are 60 degrees, then half of ABC is 30, half of ACB is also 30. So then they become equal. Now you have to find out what is half of ABC. Half of ABC is OBC, half. So you are taking only this. In the same way, half of ACB is what? Half of this full ACB is OCB, this part, half. So this is the bigger triangle and this is the half of ABC. So you can say OBC is equal to OCB. Okay, so let us consider this OBC. This is O, this is B, this is C. So I have taken this OBC triangle here and shown you. Now OBC is equal to OCB. So here angles are equal. So if angles are equal, children, then the side opposite to that will be equal. That is the isosceles triangle concept. So OB is equal to OC. So this is the point which we have got. So I can say OB is equal to OC as my second point. And what is the reason for this? AB is equal to AC is given here. OB is equal to OC proved. And this you should show as your proof. Now third side, if you see closely, AOB and AOC, AO is common to both the triangles. AO is a side in this triangle also. AO is a side in this triangle also. So I can say AO is equal to AO, common side. So now all are S, S, S. So no need of pattern, children. By side congruence. Triangle AOB is congruent to triangle AOC. So from this, OB is equal to OC, we already proved here. OB is equal to OC. They are congruent parts of congruent triangles. So you can say here OB is equal to OC because they make the same pattern. Now AO bisects angle A. What do you mean by AO? See, AO is this line and it is bisecting angle A, means it is equal, cutting into equal parts. That means BAO should be equal to CAO. BAO, that is this, should be equal to CAO, that is this. So let me see whether that pattern is forming in this congruence. BAO, third, second, first. CAO, third, second, first. Yes, they are congruent parts of congruent triangles. So if congruent parts of congruent triangles is equal, that means this angle A is being bisected, we have proved. So therefore AD bisects angle A. So here children, two concepts. You should know that if the sides of an isosceles triangle are equal, then the opposite angles will be equal. And if the angles are equal, then their opposite sides will be equal. So we have proved that this triangle is congruent to this triangle by SSS congruence. Hope this sum is easy.